This short tutorial is about how to activate the license on DSS Pro server. So once you have created your user account, click on Login. As you can see, our product is not licensed. Everything is in gray, all the icons. So go to Setup side or Configuration side. Then choose Licensing. Once you are over here on Licensing, choose On-Light Activate License and type your license in the following window. Once you retype the activation code, click on Activate Now. Please be reminded that server needs to be online. If just the client is online, it's not enough. Server needs to be connected to the internet. Otherwise, choose offline activation. Once the server is activated, you need to restart the client. After restarting the client, you will see that all the icons which were before gray will now be on color. So now you can go and start with adding up your devices. Thank you very much for watching this short webinar. Thank you.